Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Freddie McGregor gives us a breath of fresh air on his birthday. The reggae artist on Tuesday wrote, "It feels like a breath of fresh air living to see another birthday," as he simultaneously released his latest project. McGregor shared his album titled A Breath of Fresh Air, which is produced by Stingray Records, a UK-based record label, and Big Ship Music Incorporated. The 14-track album has only one collab, an Afrobeat single, Walla Walla Wing, with Gambian artist Alicia Khan and the Black Prophet, and Good Boy Elliot, which he shared with his fans.
Greetings to all my Big Ship fans out there. This is yours, Freddie McGregor. I want to thank you for supporting me throughout so many years, and I've made this album especially for you. Wherever you are, I hope you're breathing a breath of fresh air. Thank you. Love you.
But I don't understand. That's all she said.
The Big Ship boss is gearing up for Sumfest this July, where he will perform with his Big Ship crew, son Steve Nanchino, as well as Code Red Band. Sugar and Eric Donaldson, finalists for Festival Song 2023. Now, the list revealed on Wednesday saw reggae singer Sugar and multi-winner Eric Donaldson named as finalists. In an interview with Daily Harris on Small Jamaica this morning, Donaldson, on his 12th entry, said that people kept on asking him to re-enter.
Some people see me on the street, Eric, why you enter the competition? You'll stop singing or what? And so I kind of get jealous and say, boy, I'm going to try to write a song and see if I can go into the competition.
The 11 finalists also includes the nephew of Toots Hibbert, Hot Rod. The festival songs are yet to be released. The festival song competition started back in 1966 and is said to be the longest running original song contest on the island. Now, Angela Bassett to finally get her Oscar. On Monday, the Oscars announced that the Black Panther star is set to receive an honorary Oscar 30 years after she was first nominated. The announcement was met with mixed reaction, as some cited the honorary as a consolation prize. Bassett's first Oscar nomination was for Best Actress for playing Tina Turner in the 1993 film What's Love Got to Do With It. Then, this year, she was up for Best Supporting Actress for her role in Black Panther Wakanda Forever, for which she was the favorite. Her loss caused quite a stir. Now, according to the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, honorary awards are given for lifetime achievements, exceptional contributions to film, and outstanding service to the Academy. Angela Bassett, along with the comedy legend Mel Brooks and ET film editor Carol Littleton, are set to receive honorary Oscars at the 2023 Governor's Award this November. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.